a few things that have been happening just around everywhere for QuantRx. As you can see, we dropped a clean pair for beat at the top, saying it was going to break down. Same thing with Pendle. Pendle going with a giant drop. And then final one, we have Velvet. Velvet I called out right here at the top and just plummeted down over 73%. As you can see here in the Discord, Near printed out pretty cleanly for all of us, getting around pretty much an overall 500% profit. Right here, I'm explaining my trail bands flip indicator before I dropped it. I dropped a pair of 426, saying we wait for it to go up here, we wait for this band to flip to red, because that implemented bullish at the time, or bearish, my bad, green is bullish, and then our target for our liquidity heat, we need it to flop down there. As soon as that happened, a full clean trade played out. Make sure to join QuantRx if you guys want in on these plays.